0.6, whatever it is, you have to get into a good college. That's a must, number one.
Yeah.
I can tell you, I'm Shashank, I'm telling this from my own experience. I did my MBA way back, 40 years back from FMS DU.
Okay.
Worked for 30 various corporate organizations, started off as a management trainee, and then went up the ranks. And when I left, when I was 55, after working for 30 years, I was a general manager marketing and sales in a very big company in North India.
Okay.
Then maybe I got tired of marketing and sales job and traveling, leaving my family home and all that. I used to travel for 15, 20 days in a month. So I said, so I became a management consultant, and then finally, by default, you can say I went to the teaching profession. And now I'm a professor of management studies in Indraprastha University, Delhi. It's a Delhi government university. You know, it's
Okay.
Working as a professor of management studies.
Basically, undergrad or what? You teach?
Undergrad, BA.
Okay.
Bachelor's of Business Administration. I teach the final year students. Primarily, I teach them international business management and business policy and strategy. These are two subjects I teach. Final students, primarily. So, and then maybe in the fifth semester, I teach entrepreneurship development. That's another subject, my core subject. But I'm the head of the department also. Now, at the end of the day, Shashank, एक चीज मेरा मानना है, and I'm very, very, I see that you are wearing a very nice t-shirt. बेटे brand कौन सा है ये बताओ जरा. I can see some blue logo there.
Hollister.
You could have bought some.
Hello.
You know. I can see that brand now. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
visible.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah. I can hear you closely, and you're very much audible. मैं उसी में अब आ रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
You know, last assignment was as general manager marketing and sales. That's where I'm very much, so I'll just spend 2 minutes with you on branding. So Shashank, I just, your mother says, Lord, COVID-19 says कि भाई वो वहाँ से ऐसे करो, नीचे grocer की दुकान है, and you put your mask and all that, sanitizer लगा के आप कहते हो, और कहती है भाई groceries थोड़ी खत्म हो रही हैं, चाय लेके और टूथपेस्ट लेके आ जाओ, बिल्कुल खत्म है, तो सुबह आप ब्रश नहीं कर सोगे और चाय सुबह बैठी मिलेगी, whatever it is. तो आप ये बताओ शशांक, आप नीचे जाके, you put your mask and do everything and you go down. आप कौन सी चाय लोगे और कौन सी टूथपेस्ट खरीदोगे, बता दो. Which brand?
So, chai, we have our local brand here. It's in my lane only, Hasmukh Chai Wala. And toothpaste, of course, everyone uses Colgate only. So that's
okay. Tell me one thing, Shah, because you are a BCom honors graduate and you must have learned something about management also there. Why did you go for Colgate? Why not buy maybe Patanjali's Dankanti toothpaste or Dabur?
As much as what I know and I've learned, so Colgate is the largest in the market share. And since my childhood, I have been using Colgate only. Of course, I mean, people use other brands also. Small brands also there, like Anchor, Patanjali, Dabur, Pepsodent. But I mean, you use Colgate on Colgate is basically a general term. So as people from my generation don't even know toothpaste. There are some people like that. They only resemble it with Colgate. How you resemble photocopy with Xerox.
There was a time, maybe 30, 40 years back when I was young like you. हमारे यहाँ वनस्पति is a ghee, it's not. देसी के भाई 1 किलो डालडा दे दो. Dalda was a brand. It's a Hindustan Unilever brand. Dalda. I don't know whether you heard about it. जैसे आप चाय की बात करें और जैसे आप मतलब टूथपेस्ट की बात करते हैं. So what does this brand Colgate denote to you? Apart from that, Colgate has got 60% market share and it's got a very wide distribution network. और क्या उसके बारे में आप बोलोगे brand के बारे में? मैं branding. I'm not about toothpaste now. Brand. What does it denote to you? Why, when you buy it, आपके दिमाग में क्या चीज आती है? क्या मेरे जो समझ में आता है बाद में.
To be very honest, branding has got a lot to do with the hype you create. Like, so for example, if you see Pepsodent what I told you, okay, now people resemble toothpaste with Colgate in general. So that in itself is a very big thing.
Yes.
Like if you supposing if even if you are using Patanjali, my dad says, "Oh, Colgate dena." So back of your mind, that's
Shashank, at the end of the day, brand notes three very important. I'm sorry, I'm I'm speaking to as I'm a teacher or I'm in a classroom.
Yeah,
That's how I
no,
tell my
no
students
issue.
also. The brand
Yeah,
first, it denotes what we call value for money.
yeah, of course.
Value for money. Okay. Second, it denotes trust. Third,
Yeah.
it denotes quality. आपने कॉलगेट लिया कभी आपने कि भाई कॉलगेट खराब भी हो सकता है या ठीक नहीं होगा कैसे बिकॉज आप सोचते हो इट्स अ ट्रस्टवर्दी ब्रांड इट्स बीन देयर फॉर 60 years and you know it's a trustworthy you'll never find something wrong with Colgate you know. Number 2, it's for money. आपने 100 ग्राम की ट्यूब ली आपने 40 रुपए दिए maybe you may have paid maybe 5 rupees more but you feel from Colgate you're getting some extra value which you not get from Pepsodent or not get from Dabur and toothpaste or Patanjali Dankanti. You paid 5 rupees more. That's value for money. और तीसरा है बेटे is quality. आपको पता है उसमें कोई डिफेक्ट नहीं होगा उसमें कोई कीड़ा नहीं होगा उसका डब्बा कोई फटा नहीं होगा उसमें कुछ ऐसी चीज नहीं होगी and plus it's a reputed brand it's a reputed brand and reputed company and great you know pedigree Colgate if you see it used to be basically American it's a the Colgate Palmolive India Limited is basically a subsidiary of an American company and they've been around for 60-70 years and for this I know I've been using Colgate from day one you know घर में सिर्फ Colgate ही होती है plus you know they have the gel and they have the other type of toothpaste ठीक है but the brand is Colgate तो बेटे वही मेरा मानना शशांक ये मैं आपको it's not a marketing lecture it's not a business policy lecture it's basically concerned with the counseling और आपको यही करना है मैं शशांक दोबारा आपका प्रोफाइल बहुत ही अच्छा है मैंने जो अभी मोक्षा से सुना है you got a great profile you have to get into a good branded college don't go to any ghatiya or some third rate college please I'm telling you from my own you know
Hello.
yeah.
I think your audio is a little bit interrupting in between.
So he's also from a very good Delhi college. Did some Shriram College Pharmacy. Have you heard about it? Supposed to be one of the best colleges of
Which college?
SRCC.
Yeah, of course. I mean, the stalwarts have been passed out from there, so of course. Yeah, your audio is.
He was SRCC. Shriram. He was from that college. He was in a top 10. You know, in his he didn't top it. He was in the top 10. But first Delhi. He chose FMS, which was that is definitely superior. But I'm just and this same boy I'm talking about my son. He is now an executive director in a bank in Singapore. It's called JSFS Bank. It's a Swiss bank. He's an executive director. He's number 2 in the branch, Singapore branch. Maybe it was his FMS pedigree. Maybe it was his BCom honors from SRCC. I don't know. Maybe he was my son. I don't know. But jo bhi hai Shashank, brand is a brand. And this is where it will help you in the long run because at the end of the day, you have to go on a growth path. You have to have a very clear career progression. And you can't be... और यही होगा बेटे शुरू करोगे अभी आप मेरे हिसाब से यू आर ऑर्डिनरी जब आपका अच्छा एमबीए कॉलेज मिलेगा यू विल बिकम आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी टेक इट फ्रॉम मी और उसके 5 7 साल 10 साल के बाद यू विल बिकम एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी पर्सन दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस देयर 3 स्टेप्स अकॉर्डिंग टू मी अभी हम सब ऑर्डिनरी है कोविड-19 और नो कोविड-19 बेटे आपको इसके निकल के उभर के आना है बाहर और कैसे निकालना है कैसे बाहर आना है रेखा जी इज अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन and she is the person who helped 3 of my BBA students to crack the MBA and they got into the best of colleges and I'll tell you I saw your CAT score कितना है तुम्हारा CAT score तुम्हारा है 55.6 yes I was just seeing your CAT score also bete CAT has got no relationship with a person IQ or intelligence take it from me it has got no relationship that's what I feel I had 3 of my best students. They were toppers in the class. 1 girl and 2 boys. Final 6 semester. Okay. अच्छा करते they were top 5 में आते थे हर class में and they've been right that from the first semester and I've been grooming them also. I was mentoring them also. I was the head of the department and they joined Career Launches, the coaching center. They paid 60,000-70,000 rupees and started their CAT closing from June-July. They went through the coaching process. I used to allow them to leave the college 2-3 hours earlier because they said, "Sir, coaching के लिए जाना है." Okay. गए वहाँ पे नवंबर में एग्जाम दिया जनवरी दिस ईयर उनका रिजल्ट आया, उनका कैट स्कोर कितना था? 40% है। एंड
How much?
दे 40, एक का 40 था, एक का कोई 45 था, दूसरे का 60 था. So just
Oh,
42, all three, and the best,
okay.
and they were the best guys I had. You know, I thought कम से कम 85, 90 तो पकड़ लेके आएंगे, कॉलेज का नाम रोशन करेंगे. या मेरा जो टेन्योर है उसको अच्छा करेंगे मेरा, because I've taught them. नहीं हुआ उनसे. Then they were just crying, and the girl was crying. She came to my room the next day जब रिजल्ट निकला, कह रहे सर I've let you down. मैंने सोचा था मैं क्रैक करूंगी, कैसे भी करूंगी, और जैसे आपने एफएमएस में किया मैं भी जाऊंगी वहां पे. सर ठीक है, नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. तो luckily then I was discussing with them. One of my colleagues, he's a professor of financial management, he came to my room. He said क्यों तीनों बच्चे क्यों रो रहे हैं भाई, क्या हो गया इनको? I said कैट स्कोर पे इनको प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. कहता भाई पिछले साल my daughter the same problem, she had 30 percentile, and I went to the director group. I met a lady called Miss Rekha Tiwari. She'll help me out. My daughter is now in the second year. She's going to now pass out for SPGN Global. I said SPGN Global with 30 percentile कैसे हो सकता है? फिर उन्होंने पूरा मुझे explain किया that this is that organization, because I know them for the last 2-3 months only.
Okay.
And I wanted to tell you, beta, kite percentile doesn't mean the end of the road for you. It's the beginning of a new TSA. So with IIT Delhi, very nice. I went there, took 3 students also. मैंने कहीं से बात करो भैया, इन्होंने last year help किया, कहता कि बेटी को करो. रेखा जी ने as God, she helped them out, and the girl has got it to SPGN Global, I Bangalore. Yes, I remember that now. उनको 2 हफ्ते पहले ऑफर लेटर्स भी आ गए हैं. And luckily IP University का 6 semester का कोई एग्जाम नहीं हो रहा है. So they got no problem now.
Okay.
They have IP University is under the Delhi government, and they're not going to have exam. We are promoting the 6 semester students on the basis of their average of 5th semester and enter assessments of the 6th semester. I've already sent the marks to the university, so there's not a problem. तो शशांक, मैं सिर्फ ये एग्जांपल तुम्हें बता रहा था. A low CAT percentile doesn't mean the end of the road. It means you have a new opportunity. COVID-19 की कुछ opportunities है, क्या है वो रेखा जी आपको बताएंगे, because she is an expert. I'm only an advisor to them, or maybe a counsel students, depending on who I feel have the potential. So I'll definitely recommend your case. If necessary, I'll make out your letter of recommendation. If necessary, make out your SOP also. I'll draft that especially for you. And I'll request Rekha ji to please come in and speak to you and help you as to how you can get out this CAT syndrome and come out on top. So Rekha ji, a very good evening to you, and I would request you to please help Shashank. I think he's got the potential to do well. So please speak to him. Thank you, Rekha ji.
Yeah,
Rekha ji is the Vice President of the company. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, Manchanda ji, you were completing something, so I just
No, I said
maybe,
I wanted to tell you that I am only an advisor. Rekha ji is the Vice President of the company. She's the boss.
So very good evening, Manchanda ji, and thank you once again for your wonderful words. So
Thank you,
Shashank,
ma'am.
very good evening.
Very good evening,
to
ma'am.
you.
Good evening,
And
ma'am.
Shashank, I'm very sorry at the onset itself. There is some bandwidth issues, so I won't be able to put my video on. But the audio is going to be there, and in case there is any problem, do notify, okay?
Yeah.
So Shashank, going through your academic credentials, because what is important, we do get to see so many candidates throughout the day, in fact, and all across country, I'll say. So we don't recommend every candidate, that is for sure. We need to analyze the academic scores and the profile, then only we recommend the candidate, okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah,
Hello.
Shashank.
Yeah, it's audible.
So Shashank, what is very important to understand, that we have a brief about your academic scores, but it's important that we understand the year of passing and something more about your profiling. So I'll be coming one by one. So regarding that, just help me with your 10th. It is 81%, and what was your year of passing?
2012.
That was 2012. Perfectly okay.
Yeah.
12th standard, 2014.
Yeah, and
Okay,
80%.
perfectly okay. And your BCom was
42.
62%, and what exactly was the year of passing?
2017.
2014-17 batch. Perfectly okay.
Yeah.
So in that regard, Sashank, you have 3 good years in hand since 2017 to 20. So do
Yeah.
you justify this with your work experience, or you were engaged somewhere with your internships?
So basically, so I wanted to also convey one more thing, that apart from MBA, I had started with one more course, which is the CFA, because I was quite sure that I wanted to go in finance. So from my TY, I was also doing CFA, and all my
Okay.
internships and jobs are also related to that only. So
Perfectly okay.
I, yeah, so I've already completed 2 levels of CFA, and the third level was supposed to happen in 2020 June, but because of Corona and all this stuff, it got delayed, and now God knows when it will happen. So,
Perfectly okay. So
so I've already completed 2 levels, and I have 1 year of work, 1.5 years of work.
okay. So for your CFA program, when exactly you were enrolled, and what is the academic duration of this program
So,
CFA?
yeah, so basically, in 1 year they have one examination. So level
Okay.
one I completed in my TY only, which is 2017.
Okay.
Then in 2018 I did my level 2, and 2019 was the year for my level 3. But I gave the exam in level 3 for 2019, but I was not so lucky to pass, and I didn't clear in 2019 level 3. And 2020 I was again supposed to give, because I didn't clear in 2019. So, but unfortunately 2020 the exam only got postponed. So now that's it.
Right. So no worries regarding that, and your scores are pretty good, I'll say, Sashank, and that shows your academic inclination, and you're very much focused towards finance studies. That's also pretty good. So coming to the second aspect, that is your extracurricular activities and achievements, and I believe, Sashank, you must be aware, when you're seeking admission abroad or maybe any good college even in India, academic
Hmm.
scores many students are having. What makes you different from other is your profile. Okay, so
Yeah.
coming to your extracurricular activities, do share some moments when people applauded for you and you have some certifications to prove. It can be your sports, your debate, your events, your internships. Okay,
So,
or maybe working with some good companies, or maybe working with some good social organizations.
Shashank,
so yeah.
ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but Shashank, before you start over, there are some technical issues from our end. I hope you can rejoin again with the same link. I hope everyone
Yeah.
can rejoin again with the same link.
Sure. Sure. No issue.
Okay, thank you, Moksha, for notifying. Thank you.